Everybody, it's Larry from MarineMax here in Jacksonville, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about this brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. An extremely versatile boat, great for fishing, cruising, perfect size for Northeast Florida. We're going to start today with the power plant right here. This is the Mercury 400 horsepower V10 outboard. Lots of power and torque for this boat. Single engine, so you're only paying for maintenance on one versus twins, but still have the ability to get up and run when you want to. Let's take a look at some of the fishing amenities back here. We've got a live well in the port corner, which is also fully insulated, that you can use as an extra cooler if you like. We've got a freshwater shower back here by the door on the transom, so as you come up off the swim ladder, you can rinse off getting back into the boat. Really nice feature. We've got a raw water connection back here, help rinse the boat down if you're fishing. And then check out this seat, the rear bench seat, which is very large, extremely comfortable. If you look at the hinges and the hardware, you can see it's overbuilt and very robust, just like everything else on a Boston Whaler. I'm going to put this back up and show you the versatility of the port side seat over here. This has an adjustable backrest. Right now we've got it facing forward. You can sit back as well. Move it to this position here. Now I've got a little bit more lounge space. I can lay it all the way down and use this cushion here as a backrest. Now I've got a rear facing lounger, and I can also convert this into a forward facing lounger simply by doing this. So as you can see, it's extremely versatile. Lots of seating and cruising comfort for the whole family. Nice shade provided by the hardtop, which has integrated lights. This boat is also equipped with a canvas rear shade that'll come out here to poles that go in the rod holder, and there's a forward bow shade as well. So whether you like the sun or you want to have some nice cool shade, plenty of options. Let's take a look here at the head compartment. You've got a full marine head here with overboard discharge. There's also a freshwater sink with a pull-out shower in the head compartment as well. That's something that you don't normally see on boats this size, but with Boston Whaler, you get a lot of those nice creature comforts. At the helm, we've got a Simrad multifunction display, which does lots of things. It gives us our GPS, navigation, all of our engine data and gauges, fuel tank, etc., as well as our fish finder. You can separate this into two halves, 4 quadrants, get all the information up at one time if you like. We've also got a really nice JL audio sound system on this boat, premium sound system, and a VHF radio. So we have a complete electronics package. It's turnkey, ready to go. Up at the bow, you'll notice we've got some really neat seating here. It's nice and deep, very safe for the children when you're out on the water. We've got a table here that pops up, but you can also set it down here with a cushion, have a nice big sun pad. Up at the front, at the bow, we also have another pull-out shower. Show you that right here. So you can rinse off up at the front of the boat as well. And we've got a windlass, which is operated at the helm station or by this convenient remote control right here at the bow to make it nice and easy to anchor up at the sandbar or if you're fishing. Another neat feature is we've got a front boarding ladder that folds over so you can board from either the front of the boat or the transom, whichever is more convenient for you. If you'd like to have a sea trial on this boat or learn some more information, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.